Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to update Minecraft native launcher error, right? So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to installed apps, and if previously you had a Minecraft launcher, not the new one but older one, what you need to do here is to go to Minecraft, write Minecraft, and just uninstall the launcher here, right? And then also if you have the new one installed as well, and when you delete old one, the problem should be fixed. And if it's not, then you need to sort it out by all drives and delete the new launcher here, press on the burger menu here and uninstall it. And after you do so, then go to, depending of course where you got Minecraft launcher, go to Microsoft Store and look for the launcher, or simply you can go to minecraft.net, log into your account and download the new launcher here, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.